All right, moving on. We got a little bit of a direction typo here. This says to use the figure at right for questions 13 and 14. Originally, this part A through D was 13, and this is 14. We just got a numbering issue. Basically, this figure is for everything inside of the box here. So, name a plane. There are two planes listed on the sheet. There is plane P, and there's also plane R. Either one would work. Remember, our plane symbol is the parallelogram symbol there. Name collinear points. Now, we could pick a bunch of them. The obvious ones here are A, D, and B right there on the intersection. So A, D, and B. Part C, points contained in only plane P. Well, that would be C and E. You could not choose B, D, or A because they are also in plane R. So we've got point C and E. Now, non-collinear points. That's non-coplanar are named plane or points that are not in the same plane. The one they're looking for here, honestly, is point H, but because C, B, D, A, and E are all on coplanar on plane P, F, A, D, B, and G are all coplanar on point R. H is the one not on one of the drawn points. But honestly, I mean, this is going to be a multiple choice test, so pick the one that fits best. In order for points to be non-coplanar, technically you have to have 4 points. Like I'll have to say A, D, F, and C are non-coplanar because these three share a plane and C is off of that plane. Anyway, like I said, it's multiple choice. Just pick the one that fits best. Also, what is the intersections of planes P and R? Well, the intersections are where the two meet, which is going to be this line right here. So there's lots of ways you can name it. You can name it line BD, you can name it line DA, or you can name it line BA. Of course, also you could reverse those to line DB, line AD, and line AB.